Class B chopper. Hello everyone. So let's begin with class B chopper. Class B chopper is a step up chopper and its operation in second quadrant in the VI plane. So it operates in second quadrant in VI plane, second quadrant in VI plane. The voltage is positive but current is negative. So voltage is positive but current is negative, and power flow from load to source, so that is regenerative braking. So let's see the circuit diagram. Circuit diagram look like, so this is the source, this is the diode in the reverse direction, this is the chopper and RLE load is connected, RLE load is connected. So this is the direction of the current flow, this is the direction, the desired direction of the current flow. This is the chopper, this is the diode, and this is the supply voltage. Now when the switch is on, diode isolate the supply voltage Vs. So in this condition, current flowing in opposite direction. In this condition, this current will flow in opposite direction. So this will be the current flow. So that is flowing in the opposite direction to the desired direction. So current is negative. So current is negative, but voltage is positive. So from this we can say this can achieve second quadrant operation in the VI plane. Okay, now when switch is off, now this inductor change its polarity. So in that case the condition is also current direction in opposite, means is in the negative, and voltage is positive. Now when switch is off, so in that condition, so in the previous one, when switch was on, in that case this is positive and this is negative for the inductor. Now when switch is off, now this inductor will discharge and it will change its polarity. Now this will be positive and this will be negative. Now according to this, the direction of the current flow is in this direction. So in this condition also, current is negative and voltage is positive. So this is also a second quadrant operation. Now we'll see the output waveform for class B chopper. Class B chopper, this is IG. Okay, this is I0 output current and V0 output voltage. Now if assume this is T on period, and again this is T off period. So when switch is on, so in that case current will increase but in the negative direction. So here, and again it will increase. So it will increase from this minimum to maximum. So in the negative direction it will increase. Now if we see the output voltage, so that is when T is on, at that time output voltage is 0, but when T is off, at that time we will get some output voltage. So these will be the output waveform for the class B chopper. Like if we see the circuit, when when it is off, so when switch is on, so in that case it will isolate this voltage source, so that's why output voltage is 0. Now when this is off, at that condition these will be the current flow, so that's why we'll get some voltage across the output. So this will be the output waveform for the voltage, and this is the output waveform for the current. So this is all about class B chopper. In the next lecture we'll understand what is operation of class C chopper. Thank you everyone.